Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are making Activator. Okay, sorry about all the laughs. So we have the Borax here, we have the boiling water here, then there's cold water in here, and it's in a glass bottle because we don't like plastic, we prefer a glass bottle. So then we put the Borax in here. Now the second one. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one. Eighth one. Okay, now I got a spoon from the director. Time to stir it up until all of it dissolves. So we've dissolved it all. Now just need to get it steadier. We put the lid on. So yeah, that's a complete thing. In this bottle, we have eight teaspoons of borax, 8 cups of water with eight teaspoons of this. Okay, you got that recipe in your head? Ratio is 1 to 1. 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. Okay, so we'll see you later.